Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1 2 Steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Grammarly app in your PC. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Grammarly app in your PC. By the way, this app is very useful and I'm just loving this app. So to download this app, you just need to go to any browser and search for Grammarly download or download Grammarly. So click on the first link that comes in front of you and just download it, and it will be downloaded in few seconds. So to install this app, you just need to go to your search bar, which is in the bottom side of my desktop. In the search bar, just search for Grammarly. You can see Grammarly app, Grammarly setup. So here you can see the options: open, run as administrator, open file location, pin to start, pin to taskbar, or install. So to install this app, you just need to click on this last one, which is install. Just click on this install, and here again you need to search for Grammarly, and here it arrives, Grammarly editor, and you need to click on this 3 button which is in the right side. So here you can see modify or install. Just click on the install, and this app and its related info will be installed, it says. So just click on install. So your Grammarly app is installed successfully on your PC. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.